Students, did you know that the global building information modeling, that is BIM, market size valued at $7.9 billion in 2023 and is projected to reach $15 billion by 2028. So there is a huge demand for building information modeling, that is BIM professionals in the civil engineering industry. So it's very true that with advancement in technology, BIM skills are becoming essential for success in the field. CADD Centre Design Studio introducing the Executive Diploma in Building Information Modeling, and it's specifically dedicatedly designed for civil engineering students, job seekers and working professionals like you. Our comprehensive course covers all the essential softwares and it includes AutoCAD, then Revit architecture, then Revit structure, Revit MEP, Navisworks and the AutoCAD Civil 3D. Students, you will dive into the key subjects like basics of BIM, level of details, that is LOD, BIM integration and engineering drawing using AutoCAD. With a duration of just 400 hours of this course, you will gain practical skills in BIM modeling, MEP design using Revit, 5D BIM with Navisworks and shop drawing. But the journey doesn't end here. After completing the course, exciting career opportunity awaits you as BIM designer, modeler, coordinator, manager or specialist. Don't just take our word for it. Look at our successful students who landed dream jobs after completing our BIM course. So, ready to take the next step towards a rewarding career in BIM? Then visit our website to learn more about the course and enroll today. So students, don't miss out on this opportunity to shape the future of civil engineering with BIM. Join us now, link is there in the description. Thank you.